Greetings to Dr. Maria. I am Danish ZULKARNAIN bin MULIADY with my matrix number D2023110563. I will be presenting about my personal beliefs on the teaching and learning 10-minute video that I researched on in assignment 2. I have stated the strengths on the left and the issues on the right. First off, let's take a look at the strengths. The teacher in the video has good digital literacy. In the video, the teacher shows digital literacy by presenting slides, which involves the use of digital tools as in presentation software, which is Microsoft PowerPoint. Digital literacy is crucial in modern-day teaching. It involves the ability to find, evaluate, and use information online critically and being able to adapt towards new technologies in today's world. An article on digital literacy written by the British Council says that we are teachers of the language of global communication, and that communication is increasingly digitally mediated. If our learners are to be fully functional citizens in the 21st century, they need digital skills. We can promote these skills in parallel with teaching English. Moving on to the next point, one of the strengths that this teacher has is being organized. Her teaching session is very well organized, judging from how she presents the slides, which is about parts of speech. She starts by stating the definitions of each part of speech. She then proceeds to explain it in depth to the students, and she then gives the students an activity about parts of speech to help them understand the topic even more. Also, there is an article on Indeed.com saying that an organized teacher also helps them optimize their time teaching in a classroom. Besides that, the teacher shows strength in her communication skills. In the video, we can see the teacher asking questions towards her student throughout the whole lesson. There is one student who is having difficulties answering her question. It is a boy sitting on the left corner, yet the teacher helps him answer it in a calmly manner. Plus, an article written by Rosalind Swart says that studies, referring to Mashburn et al. 2008, have found that the success of students is directly related to interactive, engaging teaching environments formed by able teachers. Now, let's take a look at the weaknesses. The first one is the teacher's speaking pace. She speaks loud, but it is fast and has no pauses. She should be speaking with a stable cadence and add pauses to allow her students analyze and understand what she is trying to convey. The same goes with the time when she is asking questions. According to an article by Emily Kaplan on Edutopia, adding in extra 3 to 5 seconds after we pose a question offers all students time to think. However, for English learners, it also gives time to translate, process their thinking, translate back into English, and develop their courage to answer. If we call on our students too quickly, many of our students will stop thinking about the answer and they will even stop trying to answer at all. Besides that, the teacher should provide learning materials, as students tend to learn better when they have them. An article written by Rabindra Kumar Mohanty says that learning materials are important because they can significantly increase student achievement by supporting student learning. For example, a worksheet may provide a student with important opportunities to practice a new skill gained in class. This process aids the learning process by allowing the student to explore the knowledge independently, as well as providing repetition. Lastly, the teacher should have her students work in groups. Asking them questions individually is good, but having them in groups and asking them questions will help them develop communication skills. According to an article by Washington University in St. Louis, it says that student group work enhances communication and other professional development skills. A study referring to Attal and Baker 2007 estimates indicate that 80% of all employee work in group settings. Therefore, employers value effective oral and written communication skills as well as the ability to work effectively within diverse groups. That is all from me. I have stated my references on each points right below them. Thank you.